Xiaomi is all set for their next foldable, not foldable actually flippable phone, which is Xiaomi Mix Flip. After their successful 3 generations of foldables, it is now time for new flip phone. Many people said that Xiaomi's foldables are even better than Samsung's foldable phones. And today we have the live hands-on look of the Xiaomi's first Mix Flip, which looks really great from rear side. Xiaomi will likely to pair the Mix Flip with Mix Fold 4 during launch. We have designed somewhat similar to Samsung's Z Flip phones. They also have this kind of cameras at the rear side, but the screen is totally different on both phones. Samsung Z Flip 5 covers almost the whole area of upper flippable section with screen, while Xiaomi isn't doing something like that. It can be seen that there are a lot of empty spaces between the cameras and screen divider. In Xiaomi Mix Flip, if I am not wrong, that whole section below cameras is screen. If this image is real, then this is absolutely insane move by Xiaomi, providing such a large display at the rear side of their flip phone in their first flip phone actually, because in Samsung's first flip phone we just had 2 cameras at the rear side. There are 2 cameras, as we can see, placed horizontally, unlike the Z flip phone which have it vertically, and then next to it an arrow is pointing out 2 small LED flashlights which says Leica. It means Xiaomi will be using Leica technology in cameras, which are really the best ones out there. These 2 cameras are OmniVision sensors, a 50 megapixel OV50W primary shooter with optical image stabilization, and second one is 60 megapixel OV60A with 2x optical zoom. Other than that, there is Xiaomi logo at the bottom of the phone. Talking about the front design, then nothing is confirmed regarding that, but we can expect a bezel-less design with resolution greater than 1080p and 120Hz refresh rate. There will be punch-hole selfie shooter with resolution of 32 megapixel sensor. Xiaomi Mix Flip will have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset along with 4900 mAh of battery with 67 watts of fast charging, as it has been confirmed via this listing. Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 and Mix Flip 5 are likely to be launched as pair, as I told you earlier. Mix Fold 4 will have almost same camera specs with the addition of a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. That's all for the Xiaomi Mix Flip. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.